welcome to another video for Advancing Car. This is a 2022 T-Roc in for genuine electric tailgate. So now all the kit is in and wired into the front and various modules that it needs to be in so it can talk to the car. I can now press and hold the boot lid button on the key and the boot lid opens. Alright, so now it has the new struts, which are the motorised struts. There's a loom going off into the car here, and it all ties into the module that's fitted in this back corner here, where it is fitted from factory. It's because it's all factory stuff. It goes into the factory mounts. It then runs up into the boot lid here, and there's the auto close system that's tucked up in here, the little sounder that you heard, and also the new boot lid close button, which I can show you working now. There we go, works as factory. If the car comes in with the boot lid button in the door at the front, we can utilise that. Most of them don't. And the only other thing that some people go for on these is an aftermarket module that talks to the genuine one and allows automatic close off the key as well. The reason it's aftermarket is because it's not a genuine feature due to safety and things like that. But that's it really. Really popular option on T-Rocs, TIG ones I think, and a few others. I think we've done a few Arteons and stuff. Really popular just because the boot lids are really heavy nowadays. And really smart, nice retrofit to have on your car. Modernises it nicely. So if you're interested in it, jump onto the website and have a look. Also check out other videos on our YouTube, check out the website, like and subscribe and things, and tell your friends who have got cars similar to this. Thanks for watching.